Hello everyone, welcome to AMC India. Today I am going to show you how to make coconut cookies using Namchino. Let's start. To make coconut cookies, I have taken 1 cup of maida, half cup of desiccated coconut, 80 grams of sugar, 100 grams of butter, 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk, half tablespoon of vanilla essence, extra desiccated coconut. First we have to mix the butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Sugar and butter are mixed well. Now I am adding maida along with coconut and a pinch of baking powder. We have to mix them well and make it into a dough. Now I am adding in the vanilla essence and gradually adding the milk. Now I am going to use my hand to make it into a dough. We should gradually add the milk and mix until it forms a dough ball. Dough is ready. Let it sit for 10 minutes before baking. It's been 10 minutes. Let's shape our cookies. Take about 25 grams of dough. Make it into a round ball. Then press it into a cookie shape. And coat it with extra desiccated coconut. Repeat the same. I have shaped all the cookies. To bake the cookies, I am using Namchino. And I have taken 24 cm roaster. First we have to preheat the roaster on level 6 up to roasting window. I am setting the audio term to roasting window. Audio term is connected to mobile app. Preheat is completed. I am switching off the audio term. Switch off the Namchino. Place the roaster in an inverted lid. Line it with a baking sheet. And place the cookies. Place the Navigino on top of the roaster and bake the cookies on lowest heat level 1 for 5 minutes. Select the baking window in audio term. Set for 5 minutes. Baking time is completed. I am switching off the audio term. Switch off the Namchino. Cookies are baked. Let them cool down completely and serve.